Big ass hole.
Hey, what is it called again? We finally here in Montego Bay. You know, the crew is here. Yeah, we got here. We at this Montego Bay, this rafting location where we normally come like every year. I think we were here in January too. But it's all pure love, it's family. Hey, O'Brien, what's the name of this location again? Why is it called? Great River Rafting. Yeah, so it's called the Great River Rafting. Yeah, and it's good. See, mingle with the locals, have them take you around, give them a little something. It's all good, man. It's just pure love here on the island. Go to the bar, have a drink, support the little restaurant. You know, it's hella cheap, more reasonable price. You know, mingle with the locals. You know, they appreciate it so much here compared to other places. You know, because these are the humble beginnings, though. These are the humble people that live in the community. And it's all about Montego Bay, because this is kind of in the countryside, way up in the mountains we are at now, you know, in this community here. So this is community probably called Great River. It's Great River Rafting, and I'm out for now. I'll just see you have a little family going on there. See a young lady waving, all right, and stuff like that. Yeah, they're doing their thing, you know, they're having a good time. So in a few minutes, we'll get a little closer and I'll give you a better view on what we're going on with.